I ordered this Sun Babe this to just make my hair lightened naturally from the sun over the summertime. I have this toner. Look at that, I have a little bag. That's adorable. Good. Sweet. And especially since I just got home from the salon and changed into some clothes to be outside in the sun with. But I also went darker, which was really dumb because it's springtime. We're going into summer. And I went darker. This is like a fall hair. But I didn't want to do highlights because I'm trying to re-health my hair. Low lights, like a honey color, and then she did a semi smudge on my roots, and it just really darkens everything up. And then she did a toner, and it looks good. Like, this would be great if it was October, but it's April. Like, Alana, what did you do? And she fixed my bangs. I told you. Did I tell you yet that I had a midlife crisis last week and I cut my own bangs? And now I regret every decision I've ever made in my life. But I have that Sun Babe now. Sun Bae helped lighten my hair. I'm actually gonna spray some on right now and go sit in the sun. It's all logical. It's going well over here. You know, it's fine. Everything's fine. Layla, your dress is the blue and white one. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. He is risen. It's beautiful.
Happy Easter.
Chubby Daisy. Daisy, am I fat shaming you?
As we celebrate the resurrection of Jesus Christ, Pastor John Greater.
Strategically placed. This is serious business. We are ready to go. Let's see.
Are we ready? Look at, I'm a vlogger.
Wow, she's a vlogger. Who knew?
Victoria! What did you get? Oh my goodness, your eyes are so pretty.
Here we go.
Are you ready for the Easter egg hunt?
Let's go!
Are you ready for the Easter egg hunt?
Yeah. Yes.
This is serious.
12 going
Where's
strong.
The little kids.
set, go! Hey Tanner,
Hey, hold on.
what are you doing?
Just doing manly stuff, like cutting a ham. Not really sure if I'm doing it right, but feel good about it.
Doing it.
Thanks, I appreciate that.
Happy Easter.
Happy
It's
Easter.
such a good day.
You're so good looking.
Yay!
Now it says Utah crushed it for
Happy Easter.
Arizona State can rush the field like that. Fast forward to a few
No,
weeks,
thank you.
Arizona State wins.
Do your
Times a day
poppers?
does an average adult laugh. Look, how cute little girl. 17. Happy Easter. Happy Easter. Happy.
No, Maria got this.
John Lennon.
You know who that is? No,
That's what I was hung up on it. I was like, we'll come over to you.
Michelle, who are you? I don't even know.
Well, I can't see
I think I know who Logan
Okay.
is.
Hello vlog. About to go into Costco right now. I'm gonna go to Costco and then Trader Joe's. I am throwing a baby shower tomorrow for a girl in my church, and she's this wonderful, wonderful friend who has been my daughter's church leader for years now. And she's had quite the struggle getting pregnant, and she's had a lot of heartache and turmoil and a lot of miscarriages and IVF. It's been just a rough road for her and her husband, more so than the average person. So I'm throwing her a baby shower, and she actually just wanted all of the young women, all of the girls ages 12 to 18. She wanted them and their moms to come because she loves these girls so much. So I'm excited to show you what I get for a baby shower. I'm doing just floral. It's springtime, it's April, so I'm just doing a floral pink theme, very light food, lots of flowers, lots and lots of flowers. So, and she's having a girl, so we can keep it pink and floral. Okay. Good morning. Okay, just got done with my workout. It was one of those really good days at the gym. Vibe was great. I slept so much last night. I went to bed at 9 p.m., woke up at 7 a.m. I normally don't go to bed that early. So I think because of that, I just had an extra good day at the gym. I am headed in to go pick up the cake at Nothing Bundt Cakes for the shower. Today is the day of the baby shower, and I placed the order yesterday, and I've just been so impressed with Nothing Bundt Cakes. I've never ordered a cake from there, and everything has been so easy, so quick. It's really close to my house, so that's really good. I'm impressed for simple shower like this, so I'm excited. Wish me luck. Thank goodness for Amazon. I literally ordered all of this decor yesterday. I was so focused on Easter and hosting Easter and all the Easter decor and Easter weekend that I kept putting off what I was gonna do for the baby shower that was 2 days later, that's today. I just got on Amazon yesterday, and there's so many cute baby girl themed shower stuff, and it all got here in time. So thank you, Amazon. Oh, so good. Like Are you kidding me? This is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna make a balloon arch right now. It's probably my least favorite thing to do ever in life, but it just always looks so good when it's done, so here we go. Oh my gosh, this is so hard with nails. I do this with nails. Wow! So hot. I never know how big to blow them up. Oh my gosh, this is the worst with nails. Someone's home from school. Sucker! It's really the worst, isn't it? You're doing such a good job. You're welcome. Oh, it's over. I'm so sleepy. The baby shower was such a success. It was so fun, great turnout, and she got a lot of great gifts, and she was so grateful. Thank you, honey. I think everyone had a great time. We played a few games, and now I'm just sitting out here with my love. It is such a nice night. We have the lights on. We're just hanging out. Charlotte.
Got our chickens.
We got our chickens over here. Good night. Just came in the mail, my 3rd month of Nutrafol. I love Nutrafol. I have the subscription vitamin supplement and the hair serum. I take 4 every night. Bigger than like ibuprofen, but smaller than a prenatal. Not bad. It's not bad at all if you're worried about large vitamins. I do the hair serum on my dirty hair days. I'm obsessed. Just in 2 months, this has grown from the Nutrafol. I used to have hair extensions. The hair extensions ruined my hair, made my hair so thin, so few because I was constantly having to do my hair because of my hair extensions, and then the hair extension pulls your hair out. I panicked, took my extensions out, got them removed. My hair was so thin and nothing. Ordered Nutrafol, so worth it. Little pricier, but if it's in your budget, I highly recommend it.